was a sight for my soul.
Hello friends, so I'm here with Michelle and we just finished eating at Clinton Street Baking Company lunch. Pancakes were really good. Honestly, all of it was good.
It was all amazing.
Yeah, super tasty. And now we are headed to Williamsburg, which was fun. Yeah, it's really pretty outside. Michelle's outfit is VQ.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
So sunshiny.
Yeah. First brunch in like 3 weeks.
So necessary.
I don't even think that's an exaggeration.
No.
That's sad, but
It was well deserved.
yes, very tasty. All right, kids. See ya in Brooklyn. There we go. Alright fam, got some coffee from Homecoming, super cute in there. Michelle just took pictures of me at this intersection. It was kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go home. My eyelashes have gotten really long. Clearly I haven't vlogged in a while because I don't know what I'm supposed to be saying in these. Yeah. Peace out. Hello fam, so I am back in my apartment as you can see. I just got back from hanging out with Michelle. What did we do today? We went to brunch at Clinton Street Baking Company, which is cash only, just a heads up, which both of us knew before we went because I just remember hearing it or reading it somewhere and we both forgot and we both put down credit cards and it's literally cash only. So bring cash. But the pancakes super good, the food in general super tasty, everything was really good. And then we went to Williamsburg to look at an apartment because Michelle is moving and I haven't had to deal with the craziness of finding an apartment in New York because NYU does subsidize housing, which is dope. But it was actually really interesting to see the space that you can get in what location for what cost and like comparing that to how much I pay for rent. And like my room's pretty big, my apartment's pretty big for how much I have to pay, but you know, it's just super interesting and I'm honestly kind of glad that I haven't had to deal with that yet, so that's cool. I'm trying to make the vlogs a little bit more interesting. Michelle and I literally talked about the fact that we think it's time to move away from doing brunch and move and expand our horizons and look at lunch and dinner places, just so we can become well-rounded New Yorkers, because I feel like that is important. But yeah, so if you have any recommendations for good dinner and lunch places, drop them down below. Yeah, but that's all I really got right now. I will update you guys later, but yeah. Alright, so I got ready, put some makeup on to feel like a real human. This necklace is new, it's from H&M. I think it's super cute. But yeah, I'm heading out to Brooklyn to hang with Michelle for a little bit. But yeah, I will catch you guys in a little bit. I also did participate in the Sephora Vib sale, and I picked up some full-sized first aid beauty products. So I got the Ultra Repair Cream in the tub, because I think it's easier to get all of the product that you can out of the tub and not the like squeeze bottle. So I got that. I got a full size of the facial radiance pads, which I love for exfoliating in the morning. And then I got a full-sized Pure Skin face cleanser as well. I love this stuff. It's super lightweight, very good. I did a whole blog post on skincare, so I will link that down below. But yeah, I got these in the mail. I figured I would just order it as part of the sale because it was on sale. Cool. Hello friends, so I'm in Brooklyn with Michelle and we're at this place, is it Golda? And it's like a cafe, coffee shop type situation, and we have this beautiful spread and this place is stunning, like look at it, but I got the fried chicken sandwich, which looks really good. Not really sure what that sauce is, but it looks good. We're sharing the French toast. I, of course, got a latte. And then, did you get an egg sandwich?
Egg sandwich with bacon and avocado.
Yeah, and then a coffee. Yum! Cute.
They have a great plant selection.
I feel like getting up. Good morning. It is Sunday, May 19th. Yeah. And I did some cleaning this morning. I folded all my clothes that I did yesterday, and I made some breakfast, which was good. Watched caught up on the Bold Type, which is like one of my favorite shows on TV right now. So if you haven't started watching it, you need to watch it. It's so good, especially if you love New York City based like TVs and movies. You'll love the Bold Type. I'm gonna head to H&M really quickly, probably just go to the Herald Square location and return some things that I bought online, and then I have a hair appointment today, which my hair is in deep need of some loving, so that'll be good too. But yeah, I've just kind of had a relaxing morning. It's like 11 right now, so I'm gonna head out and just walk around the city. It's supposed to be a really pretty day, which will be nice. But yeah, cool. Catch ya going. Also yesterday I ran out of space on my memory card, so I didn't capture the end of the day, but basically Michelle and I just got ice cream from Ample Hills. It was my first time there and it was so good. And then we just like sat on one of the like brownstone stoops and just chatted for a little bit, and then I came home and finished a blog post. So this week's blog post will go up on its scheduled day. I think I'm actually gonna post 2, which is awesome. But yeah, cool, love that. That's all I got for right now. Yeah.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Hello friends, so I'm back in my apartment now. As you can see, I got my hair done and it looks pretty good, I would say. I did pick up some dinner on my way back. So I went to this place called Smack in the East Village, and it's like mac and cheese, so I'm very excited. I got the Cajun mac and cheese. I haven't looked at it yet, but it smells really good. I was carrying it while I was walking home and I was like, oh my god, this smells so good. But yeah, so let's see what it looks like. All right, so it comes in this cute little box, but oh my god, look at that. Like, I wish you guys could smell her. She smells so good, but it's got like pepper jack, American cheese, sausage, green bell pepper, some spices, and I am ready. Oh my god, yeah. Alright, so I hope that you all enjoyed this vlog, because I feel like it had gotten a little bit repetitive and I wasn't really loving filming my vlogs a ton anymore, but this one I think is going to be a lot more fun. So yeah, I will catch you all in the next vlog. If you like this video and you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I post new vlogs pretty much weekly, if not every other week. Yeah, they're a fun time. I also have a blog if you want to check that out. It's gabbyinthecity.com, and I post to Instagram a ton where you can see all of my pictures that I take from my excursions in New York in real time. So yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye guys.